Welcome to the training video, how to use the Scan and Optical Character Recognition OCR tool in Adobe PDF documents. In this session, we'll explore how to convert scanned images into searchable, accessible PDFs using Adobe Acrobat's OCR tools. Training overview. This training video explains what is optical character recognition, or OCR, and why is it necessary? Document scanning best practices. Factors that decrease OCR accuracy. Using the Adobe Acrobat Pro OCR tool. Checking for text accuracy after OCR. Repairing OCR suspects, and manual validation. What is optical character recognition, and why is it necessary? Optical character recognition, or OCR, converts a digital image of a printed document onto machine-readable text that can be searched, copied, and read by assistive technologies such as screen readers. This process ensures that scanned documents are both searchable and accessible for individuals with disabilities. Document scanning best practices. Preparing to scan. Before running OCR, it's important to start with a high-quality scan. Follow these best practices to ensure accurate text recognition. Scan at 300 dpi resolution. Ensure pages are straight. If not, crop and straighten before running OCR. For older or low-contrast documents, scan in RGB rather than grayscale or black and white to preserve quality. When using a camera instead of a scanner, use natural light and avoid flash. Adjust white balance to maintain accurate color representation. Save your scans in TIFF or PNG formats for best results. Avoid JPEG, which can introduce compression artifacts. Factors that decrease OCR accuracy. Certain conditions can reduce OCR accuracy, including decorative, handwritten, or very small fonts, discolored, colored, or textured paper, complex layouts with overlapping images and text, image filters that add grain or distortion, extreme brightness or contrast settings. Start with a clean, well-lit, high-contrast scan for best results. Using the Adobe Acrobat Pro OCR tool. Initiating OCR. To begin the OCR process, first, open the scanned document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Then go to All Tools, then Scan and OCR, then Recognize Text in this file. Select the Settings cogwheel. Set Output to editable text and images and 300 dpi, then select OK. Select Recognize Text to process the document. Acrobat will analyze the scanned content and convert the image-based text into selectable, searchable text. Checking for text accuracy after OCR. After processing, Acrobat may flag OCR suspects, areas it couldn't confidently recognize. These appear highlighted in the document and should be reviewed for accuracy. Repairing OCR suspects. Correcting recognized text. To fix recognition errors, first, go to All Tools, then click Scan and OCR, then Recognize Text, correct recognized text. Compare the image with the Recognized As text. If incorrect, type the correct text and select Accept. Repeat this process for all flagged items. Manual validation. Manual validation ensures your document is fully accessible and ready for assistive technologies. Reviewing all recognized text. Even after corrections, a manual review is required to ensure complete accuracy. First, go to All Tools, then Scan and OCR, then Recognize Text, correct recognized text. Then check the Review Recognized Text box to view all recognized text beside the scanned image. Verify the following: text accuracy and reading order, that meaningful images remain images, tag them as figure if appropriate, that non-text elements weren't mistakenly converted to text. Using OCR not only improves usability, but ensures that everyone, especially users relying on assistive technologies, can access your content effectively. Thank you for your time. This concludes the training session, How to Use the Scan and Optical Character Recognition, or OCR tool, in Adobe PDF documents. For additional information about PDF accessibility, please visit the NCR-TM Accessibility Resources page. A link is available in the YouTube description below. The National Clearinghouse of Rehabilitation Training Materials, NCR-TM, is maintained by New Editions Consulting Incorporated and funded by the U.S. Department of Education, Rehabilitation Services Administration, RSA. The contents of this presentation were developed under Contract 9199-0023D-0037-9199-0024F0377 from the Department. The Department does not mandate or prescribe practices, models, or other activities described or discussed in this presentation. The content of this presentation may contain examples of, adaptations of, and links to resources created or maintained by another public or private organization. The Department does not control or guarantee the accuracy, relevance, timeliness, or completeness of this outside information. The contents of this presentation does not necessarily represent the policy of the Department. This presentation is not intended to represent the views or policy of, or be an endorsement of, any views expressed or materials provided by any federal agency. Edgar 75.620